Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let me actually open the lock screen. And now in order to customize it, you need to press and hold on an empty space. There we go. Now we are entering the edit mode. And now here we can do some changes. For instance, we can press over here in order to remove a widget if we have added. So you might have something like this. So if you press on plus widgets, then you will be able to add a widget. In addition to that, over here you have the notifications icons. If you press on it, then you can choose to hide the notifications. You can set it to icons only or details, and you can also adjust the transparency. In addition to that, we can also tap on the clock and change the clock to something else. We can change the font over here. We have show weather information, and here we can change the color as well. And over here at the bottom and in the corners, we have two apps that we can quickly access if we want to. So if you press on it, then you can choose which app you want to see over here, or you can choose no app at all. And the same goes for the other side. And in addition to that, we also have contact information. So if you want to add a custom text, then you can do so. And then press done. And there we go. We will see this text at the bottom of the lock screen. And then press done in the top right corner if you are done with customizing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.